All right, all right. Good morning from Sedona, Arizona. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the stream. 6:20 a.m. here in Sedona. Here, hiking, doing some outdoors, and trying to trade. So I'm back. Let's see what we've got here as far as levels. Good morning to everyone. So nasty NASDAQ. Let's take a look at the 15-minute, actually the 1 hour. All right, this nasty NASDAQ took a plunge again after Friday's flush down. We came down during the overnight, down to 619. Friday's low was 156, so we're only about 500 points above that low from Friday, and it looks like we're coming back down. So we'll see. I don't know if I don't think I'm either bear or bull bias. Let's take a look if we see an overnight range here. We do. Here we go. All right, good morning. Good morning to everyone. I don't know how my sounds work now. All right, let's test this here for a second. All right, looks like it's working fine now. Perfect. All right, I'm back. I've been in Sedona and finally set up my streaming setup here. See if we can get some trades in today. Go. All right, NASDAQ casino opens in 8 minutes. Let's go over levels here. So current overnight low is at 500, call it. Previous day low at 723. Previous day close 915. Nicolas Gomez, the man from the other side of the ocean. Current overnight low is right here at 499, 500. That's our current overnight low. Previous day low is up here at 723. That's yesterday's low. Gap fill is all the way up to 915. Gaps do love to be filled. Nicolas Gomez, yeah, what a drop yesterday. I was taking a look at that in a couple minutes ago. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. So this was Friday, and then look at this flush last night, right back down. So is NQ headed for further downside, or are we going to test the Friday low? This is currently Friday's low from the flush on Friday. Let's see how this all plays out. And hello from Sedona. King Caesar, how's my audio, by the way? I don't have the best audio here. I'm on vacation, technically, from Sedona. And I'm curious how my audio is working. Okay, King Caesar, good to see you, brother. I haven't seen you in a while. Good to see you. All right, guys, let me grab some H2O, and I'll be right back. We got 6 minutes. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back here. All right, we got 4 minutes of scalping. Less 4 minutes to casino to open. I'm still sleeping, man. King Caesar, indeed, man. Good to see you, brother. How's the audio? How's the stream? I'm on Wi-Fi here, so hopefully I don't blow accounts today. All right, I'm gonna long the bottom of this range real quick. See if we pop up. I'm long in the bottom of that range. Maybe I'm done before the open. Who knows? Long in it. Long in it. 4 minutes for the open. Trying to see if we get a quick pop up to the top of this range or even the middle, and I'll close it. Well, looks like I could be done before the open today. There we go. There we go, boys. Look at that. Sedona, baby. Live from Sedona. Look at that. Took a nasty pullback there. Come on. Come on. Push, push, push. Much is left to the open? 2 minutes for the open. Yeah, nasty NASDAQ doing me dirty. Should have closed it up there. All right, closed it. So we got a little bit of green there. I don't want to stay through the open, so let's wait for the open and see what happens. We got 2 minutes. Yeah, I'm flat for the open. I don't want to. I don't want to risk it. Oh, then it goes back up. All right, casino opens in 45 seconds, boys. All right, 10 seconds. Here we go. Casino's open now. It's going down. Try that long again. Let's go. Come on, push. Struggling to push. There we go. Come on, push. Yeah, she can't get up. Struggling to push up and get back into that range. Come on. Come on, NASDAQ. Let's go. Push. Man, it can't push. Can't push today. It's struggling. Uh-oh. Come on. No bounce. I'm in trouble here. Come on. Close that one. All right, it's coming for overnight low then at 4.99. Oh, wow. $4.99 next. How low will she go? Maximum strength, what's up? Julian, what's up? All right, that's overnight low test right there. I'm going to try one long here, see if there's any. Nope, it's not. Oh, boy. Overnight low is not holding. All right, looking for a bounce here at overnight low. If not, then this thing's going further downtown. All right, this is the test of overnight low. Let's see if they can bounce this. All right, here we go. Come on, push. No bounce just yet. God damn it. All right, let's see if they can get above those moving. Oh, they can't get above the moving average. God Yeah. Come on. They're trying to push below overnight low, and it looks like the Bears are going to win this one. God damn it. Not looking good right now. Oh boy. God damn it. All right. I think I'm done for the day. Taking a big L here. Oh, yeah. All right. I think I'm on tilt. Time to call it a day. Still no bounce. Ugh, still no bounce. All right, looks like I'm pushing my 150K to the extreme today, and I'm going to have to close it, and I think that's it for the day. Let's see. Can they bounce it here or no? Carlos, what up, brother? Julian, Directional Dave. Yes, sir. One on tilt here. We'll see. Let's go. If we don't get above these moving averages, though, Carlos, it's done. This thing is going downhill. They got to get above the 90 EMA and they got to push up. Ibrahim, please don't wreck me today. I'm getting wrecked, boy. Oh, man, they couldn't push above the 90 EMA. Oh, God. If they can't push above this 90 EMA here, the blue line, it's done. It's going to come right back down. If they can push, then maybe there's a chance for a stronger bounce. Carlos took a nice little long there. Nice. They can't get above the 90 EMA. That's not good. Oh. They were not able to get above the 90 EMA. Wow, push. Okay, here we go. Maybe there is a bounce. Maybe there's a bounce. You're trying to bounce it here. Come on. Come on. Looks like that's it. Yeah, they can't get above the moving averages. There's more downside to this. Unless they bounce it hard, it's not looking good. You're trying. Oof. Oh boy. They couldn't get it up above the 9 or the 20 MA. So I think they're going to bring this down right back down hard and flush. Flush these silly bulls. Bulls are trying. Can they pop it? All right, looks like they're popping it. See if we can come up to the 200 SMA or the test of this overnight range, the bottom of that overnight range. They got to push hard. They got to push hard. There they go. There they go. Don't give up now. Come on. Push. All right, I'm going to sell one here. And I'm going to leave my one entry, see if we can push a little further up. Oh, wait a minute. I'm already up $1,000. Maybe I'll close it here. I'm not going to push my luck. I'm lucky I even got back to the green. So I'm up 800 bucks now. I think I'm calling it a day after that horrible trading today. I followed directional day. We didn't panic. But I was a little more drawdown than I wanted. Jesse James. All right, I'm done. I'm done for the day. That was more drawdown than I wanted. Came close to blowing accounts there, or really pushing the extreme of the 150Ks. I don't want to do that again. That was not good trading today. Frank, see green, take green. I agree, man. That was not good. Maybe it's because I'm out here in Sedona. Anyways, good morning to everybody from Sedona, Arizona. Out here off-roading, some hiking, enjoying nature and almost blowing my accounts today. What up, Caesar? Jesse James, the man, the myth, the legend. Good to see you, brother. I don't know how I got myself back in the green there. I had to DCA at the bottom there. That was Julian, 2 contracts is too much. I had to. The reason I had to do 2 contracts, I was pretty bad in the red, and it was either save it or blow it, unfortunately. But I didn't have the balls to add more than 2 contracts. Only 2. And I'll take my blessings there. How I walked out in the green on that, don't ask me. Oh boy. King Caesar, I agree, man. Smash that like. All right, they keep pushing. They're coming back to the bottom of this overnight range here. That was a crazy morning. I don't think I'm trading anymore. That was a little too much drawdown for me. Or maybe one short here. Let's try a short. See if they continue to push up. Rejection at that 200 SMA. Cooper, what's up, man? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I want to trade anymore. I got 2. I think I got lucky on that one. I'm not gonna push it today. The rejection there. Should have taken that short. Julian, have to leave. Yeah, me too, man. After today's performance and nearly killing my accounts, got lucky on that bounce and walking on the green with what, 8, 10 in the green. But that was pushing it today. Ibrahim, you got saved. I got saved. I think a couple of us got saved today. So I think it's time to go back to bed. Well, I hope everybody walked out in the green on the open today. If you're in the green and you didn't do anything silly like me, get out. If you're in the red, careful. Careful. All right, guys, I'm not going to push my luck. I'll see you guys tonight. I'll be live streaming here from Arizona, from Sedona. Going on some hikes right now, and going to take the Jeep out and hit some trails. Lucky morning today, I'll be honest. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. Got lucky on that bounce with 2 contracts and recovered the loss and still walked out with 800 in the green. But could have been bad. It could have been bad. Nicolas Gomez, what's up, brother? Ibrahim, Cooper, Julian, I know is gone. Jesse James. I'll see you guys later tonight or tomorrow morning. Be live streaming from Sedona. But I'm out. Awful trading today, but it is what it is. We walked out with the green. Talk to you guys later. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Have a good one. Laters.